Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So, in today's video, we are going to be learning something interesting. How to do studio.code.org coding without a computer. So, a lot of people have been asking me like, how do I do studio.code.org coding without a computer? Because I don't have one. So, if you don't have a computer, I've got you covered. You can do studio.code.org without a computer. No problem at all. You can use your parents' phone, you can use your tablet, you can use absolutely any device. So, let's get started. I'm currently using one tablet. So, open up Google and search studio.code.org over here like this. Click the first link that pops up, and first you need to sign in. So touch the sign in button right next to the question mark, and this is where you sign in. We already know that, so I'm going to continue with one Google account. Okay, now you have successfully signed in, and if you scroll down here, look, Pre-Reader Express 2020 right here. Look, Pre-Reader Express. You can view the course and you can do all my Pre-Reader Express codings with your just touching and your mobile device or a tablet or whatever you're using. So let's just start a new project. Not anything too long, just one silly old play lab project. Okay, so I'm going to rename it, and you have your touchpad keyboard also. I'm going to just rename it my play lab, and then just touch. Oh, I don't know what I just did there. Maybe every time I just randomly double click on some area, oh, like that, the one zoom in effect just comes. So I'm going to tell you something. It's really hard doing this coding with your touchpad because you're using your fingers. You're not using the actual mouse, which is easier to drag and drop. You just click and hold one block and you just pull it. Your mouse, slider mouse, where is like that. So be careful with your code, or your code might get destroyed. So let's do. I'm zooming in again. Let's just create one actor on which, and let's create another actor to a ghost, a goose, and I just zoomed in again to a ghost image, and let's just make the width say hello. Okay, actor 1 say hello for 12 seconds and just disappear. Or maybe first the dragons, first one ghost should run into the witch to make it disappear. I'm thinking of many silly ideas. So when the left, oh, just pop up this, and I zoomed in again. Just keep on zooming in. The left arrow. Oh, I'm so not getting used to this. Okay, action. Oh my god, now it's really hard doing it with the touch pad thingy. So do be careful with your code. Okay, move left. I keep zooming in. I keep getting so many wrong things because my fingers are very silly at doing this. Okay, 19 pixels. Okay, maybe not. Actor 1 is not moving because it's right next to the out of the screen, so it won't go out of the screen. So watch. I just put actor 2 and whoa. When I just wanted to go left. Whoops, I just made this code. Oh, so my code is getting so messed up over here. It's really hard just doing it. Touch, but you have to be careful with your fingers. Now, careful mode is on. I'm going to be all silly like, and I want this pop-up game again. Okay, actions. Now, if another event, like if the as actor 1 is clicked, say out, and with the this mark, exclamation mark, and just get angry, the mood. Okay, angry mood. And the ghost also to a angry mood. Oh, I keep just zooming in. It's really difficult doing this with my fingers, my really silly fingers, or basically any touching device. But you've got to be careful. Cannot at all. Okay. So when if it runs in, just doing a run code over here is really hard doing the touching thing. I just keep opening code areas which I don't want to open. So if the actor host touches the actor 1, then it should make the why do I keep zooming in and going to events to vanish? What's the vanish button? Yeah, vanish actor here. Vanish actor number 1. Let's reset and run. And also I want the mood of the actor Ghost to be very angry. Oh my god, it just keeps on zooming. Ah, no, no, no. Okay. No, I don't want to pull out the mood. Okay, where is the mood? One normal mood over here. I'm just going to change this. Angry mood. Oh my goodness. Maybe yeah, two. The ghost to be angry. Why isn't the ghost angry? Yeah, I just need. It looks like the ghost can't have any other mood than just normal because it's not turning angry. What if? Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Now when you just touch both of the actors. I'm touching the witch. Now the witch is gone by the ghost because the ghost is so angry. So this is the silliest game play lab I have ever made. So that's it for today's video. I told you how to do studio.code.org coding without a computer, and I made a really silly game lab, and you need to be careful by doing touch. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Bye.